Very recently on the channel, we featured a brand new Losi, and I claimed it as my own.
And I said I had something that I liked better coming to the channel. Now Nate loves his Losi.
Oh my gosh.
But I think I'm gonna love this. This came out for the first time a little over a year ago. And I wanted one really bad, but I never pulled the trigger. Hi! Hey buddy, he needs a haircut.
Oh yeah, he does. Oh, what a happy dog. What a happy dog. What a happy... Hi everybody, Papa.
But here it is, finally. This new Arrma release.
In a way, I'm glad we waited.
Version.
I'm glad we waited.
We have not seen this. It's still sealed in the box, so I'm just ready to open it, guys.
Go for it.
That's what this video is. This is just an unboxing, our initial reaction to this brand new Arrma.
I'm excited. I'm glad we waited because I had no idea this would be coming out. Probably nobody did. And I'm also guessing, I don't think anybody, you know what this is because of the title, but I don't think anybody out there.
We'll just pretend you didn't read the title.
Could any, like, let's say anyone that's ever bought this car, which is extremely amazing just as is, round one, version 1, who would have predicted that of all things out there, this has an update? It's update. I mean, I never could have imagined this getting better.
No, I messed
I'm
up.
not allowed to say the name now, right?
No,
Okay.
I get to say the
even though
name.
it's up there in the title.
I pull it out of the box, all dramified.
Oh, whoa, that looks way better than I thought. That's just the shipping stuff there.
This is the brand new Arrma Infraction that can hit 80 miles per hour.
Wow. That blows anything we have out of the water. We've never hit these speeds before, even close.
And we got the blue version. I think there's a blue and a silver. And us being the TheRcSaylors, we love blue.
Have to go blue.
So I was
probably why I
like,
like Losi so
blue.
much.
Oh, it's so heavy.
It is heavy. This is... Oh, I have a small regret about the
I did not know
silver.
the silver one was going to have stars.
It's like a patriotic theme. It's like red, white, and blue theme.
I was not told it was silver with stars. With blue and whites.
We just silver. We thought it was one solid color.
This looks like the original. Watch your face. See, that's the side of it.
So the hood, the silver one looks amazing. Now the graphics on the blue.
It has stars too.
Okay. All right. I jumped the gun.
Stars too.
I jumped the gun.
Oh, it looks so good. So we got the blue one.
All right. So some of you guys don't care about how things look. To you,
I do.
Just go away. Stop watching. How something looks is amazing. I think it's fun to get excited about how something looks.
Before we get any further.
Hold on.
Okay.
I want to know, what color do you like? This is not just like solid red, solid blue. These both look very different. So which one, if you got one of these, which color would you get? Oh, man.
Oh, there is some red on the hood of this one, Nathan.
Yeah. I saw a little glimpse of it.
Oh, that's cool. All right.
So I hadn't even seen box art or anything right when we picked ours up.
This just came out today. It's a brand new release. We were lucky enough to get our hands on it early.
Yeah.
You guys still can't see it.
Which, by the way, I just want to point out, we're really, really close to 250,000 subscribers on the channel. To everyone that's ever hit subscribe, I just want to say thank you for that.
Yeah.
250,000.
What do you guys think?
This looks better than the silver. I take it back completely what I said, because it has the same stars and stripes on the front. So yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, zip tie cutters, Nate. We're prepared. Last week.
I guess I'm a little jealous, but you know what? Of all the airplanes that I get to fly, and they're yours too. You can fly anything that's on the channel. You know that. This is all you. I'm happy for you. Oh my gosh. Can we tell them what the main difference is in this truck now?
Go for it.
So this has a handbrake. If you guys didn't hear the news yet.
I think Nate's going to try to steal this truck from me just because of the handbrake.
So we're talking...
I have no experience with handbrakes.
Power slides, we're talking drifting, we're talking burning rubber.
Does this give you guys an idea of how big this is?
This is a big truck.
It's a very big truck.
This isn't just some 10th scale
it's
thing.
It's very heavy. It has the metal chassis on the bottom. It's very nice.
Wow.
I would not want to get hit by
this. That'd break an ankle.
Actually, we saw somebody get hit.
Yes, we did.
We did.
Yeah, at Horizon
Last
Fest.
year, yeah. When
Horizon
it just
RC
came out, they were
Fest.
doing speed runs.
and someone got smacked. Luckily, it wasn't like
they were doing the
direct
ramps.
hit.
Someone missed the ramp.
I know.
That's what it was.
I know. Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome.
That was one of our buddies too. We like him, so we're sad that they got. He was okay.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check the notification bell because tomorrow we're going to do a speed run with this.
Oh, Arrma.
And I'm guessing it's going to be the fastest. I have to go back and look at our top speed videos, but I think this is going to top it.
I was going to pull that off. You do it.
Ready, guys?
I'm ready. Oh, man. Look at the 2 battery trays. That's like half the car. This thing is just a bullet.
So this is a 6S. It's going to run on 2 3S batteries in series.
Yes, or they give you the jumper here. I mean, the little plug that you can run a single 6S battery if you want to. I think
I wouldn't do that though.
Yeah,
because
sure.
wouldn't that mess with the weight?
No, not that bad.
I would do 2 3S.
I mean, it's going to balance it some, but I think you wouldn't feel a difference.
Look at this. I don't even know what this is.
For aerodynamics. It is 100% for aerodynamics.
That's crazy. Look at the wheels.
Very crazy. So we've seen this in person, but we haven't owned one in person.
How many? I said wheels,
this,
but I meant tires. How many tires do you guys think I'm gonna blow through with this doing burnouts?
So the interesting thing about these tires, they're very dense rubber compared to like your traditional basher or really just anything, because this can actually burn rubber. A lot of people that are watching this video, they already know that, but there are a lot of newcomers to the hobby that watch our channel.
And you guys, this is our first time even touching an Infraction. We've seen it run, but we've never personally ran one ourselves.
That's right. Yeah, I've never had the
never
controls.
like looked under the hood or anything. We're really excited.
I love that the shock movement on this is so minimal, but
why even bother?
Yeah. And I want to point out too, because if this is the first video you're watching on the Infraction, first of all, thank you for doing that for us. The handbrake on here is operated by a servo. And so you've got your steering servo. Let's see. Your steering servo's mounted up front. There are 2 servos. I wanted to make sure I got it right.
Are?
Yes.
Where's the other one?
The second one.
Ooh.
So other than a truck that has steering in the front and the back, right? Mm-hmm. We've never had 2 servos on a ground vehicle. No. You got 7 or 8 servos on airplanes, you know?
Oh, that's so cool.
So this is servo operated. Grab that radio because I'm excited to see the handbrake location. I want to know if it's in a good
I have no idea how it even really works.
The ergonomics of it.
So you guys saw this last week. This is the DX3 Spectrum transmitter. It has the telemetry for the battery on the car.
In other words,
it's going to tell you the battery level. So you need to make sure you buy smart batteries with this truck so you can have this feature.
No. I do believe that the telemetry works with any LiPo battery. I don't think you have to have smart batteries. I'll double check. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, okay? But I think any batteries do work with the telemetry. You just have to have a smart ESC and receiver and the radio center. Okay. They should still be the benefit for the smart batteries is self-storage discharge to get them in a nice safe state. And then you also can keep track of how many cycles, peak voltage, peak. And this is the kind of thing where that stuff comes in handy. Your peak temperature.
Well, you can go ahead and put this speed gear in there for me. We just.
I think we should do before and after to see how it affects it.
Definitely need to.
Because I want to know how this runs stock. But the radio is amazing. Mm-hmm. It was amazing for the Losi. I love that they heard some of our feedback. For some reason, Spectrum, for a long time on the Ready to Run vehicles, had a plastic wheel. I know that sounds like a small thing, but for us, we love that addition of the foam wheel there.
So handbrake.
Yeah, so I'm assuming, this is never a good thing to do, it's got to be this little side button, A, B down here. Okay. That's my assumption. I can't imagine it would be anything else unless it's just slamming forward on the throttle.
Well, that's why you have me to read the instructions.
That's right. Handbrake is on there though.
Lots of spare parts.
There are a few in
tools,
there. Yeah.
Arrma stickers.
Looks like body standoffs.
Instructions.
I'm guessing if you roll this, the body standoffs will break because there are a good handful of extras in there. Oh, that's a good tool bag. Nice wrench. A couple of wrenches in there. Allen keys. Those are nice. So the brushless motor, why have we not talked about this?
I haven't seen it yet.
We've also got a tower-to-tower
Brace.
chassis brace in here, which I think is on the first Infraction, but then you have one tower to chassis brace in the front and the back too.
The receiver is in a waterproof box, so that's cool. Right
like
next
that.
to the ESC.
I like that. And then when I lift up on the side
What
here,
is going on with the motor right
the
there?
motor
That
has
is crazy.
a heat sink mounted to the top,
Wow.
an additional one on the side, and it has a small fan on the motor.
That's intense.
That is intense. Well, this is a 2050 kV brushless motor, 1700. This is a sweet setup. This is groundbreaking. It is groundbreaking.
You're so excited. I'm so excited.
It looks amazing too.
Well, it's not often where I have to cut the video because we're speechless and we're just like...
There were moments
What do
that
we do?
I just stopped and looked at it just in awe of how far this hobby has come.
That foam bumper at the
There is a
front
foam bumper, but
intense,
down
too.
here though, that's to help wind. You know,
It's
keep the
crazy.
air out so it doesn't parachute, and that's exactly what this whole system is designed to do.
Mm-hmm.
The control of the air on this alone is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
The spoiler, the fin in the back is to keep it from parachuting. You know, I mean, just to help control the airflow. I think they did an amazing job on the design of this. That body is so sweet. And then all the electronic placement in here, just the engineering that went behind this is awesome. Whether you like this type of thing or not, I think we can easily take a moment to appreciate the engineering that goes into a toy like this. It is definitely a big boy, big girl toy. Kids should not get behind the controls of this unless they're very skilled and have parental guidance. This is a dangerous, speedy toy, if not driven.
But oh so fun.
Oh my
Oh, so
gosh,
fun.
yeah. I just want to make that clear. Be careful with this thing because this is going to be powerful and fast. By far the fastest thing you and I have ever driven on the ground.
Well, down in the description box, I'll have this vehicle link for you, plus the batteries we're going to run and the charger we use to power the batteries.
I can't tell you how excited I am to power this thing on. Well, this has been an amazing couple of weeks for RC ground vehicles. It's been an amazing year for RC.
Yes.
And I'm just so glad to be an RC sailor this year. It's been a good year for it. For that, I thank God. Thank the big guy upstairs. We've just had a lot of fun this year with RC despite all the craziness going on in the world, which has been a very fun hobby to be a part of. I encourage you guys to get involved one way or another. And I want to say a huge thank you to our Patreon supporters because you guys keep us truly motivated. You keep us going. And without you, we would not have the channel that we have. From $1 or more, we thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts. We are going to have some amazing content on this thing coming to the channel, but I'll tell you what we'll do for now. For the time being, I think the video that's popping up right about now will be the current fastest vehicle on our channel.
Let's do it.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.